Good morning, sir.
वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग। थोड़ा सा और you can see like basic I have added all this color, थोड़ा सा like I added those dirt,
Sir.
uh, and now I'm trying to refine these shapes. You can see basic texture is fine, but I need some because these are metal, it should be a little rough. That's like it
Yeah.
looks very smooth, so I'm just adding some roughness like in height map. I want some amount of roughness in this, so just checking what I can use from here. This is nice. So it's like I can see the height information is very strong. So to control this, I'll go to height and reduce intensity. It is subtle.
So you added more gold in the
Body,
front.
yes. So that's what now I'm modifying it one by one. So I'm added. You can see gold is there. So I'm adding these lines to separate. Right now, all these parts kind of look same. So I'm trying to create separation. So they should look separate, different. This top design part can look like gold, but rest should look different. So that's my whole idea. So this one. So this one you can see most of the part looks like gold. So I have to fix this mask. I click, add a paint layer, and element wise or UV wise, I can separate them. And I want black. This part I want to remove. So here, if I want to select this, it will change. So I need to have it color mask and fix everything. Some amount of gold. So I want this design part should be gold and rest without the gold. So but then I guess I need to modify this metal edge wear. Add a color selection here, top of this. And now I'm going to use this color selection, pick this part. So only gold is visible to this design. So let's pick this one. And if I want to remove something, okay, this part also selected here. Okay, these two are selected together. And this part also I need to get rid of this area. Or I can add this also. Yeah, this will look much better. Nice plate. This base should be more orange, so I need to fix that. I need to push it up. Yeah, push it up. You can see clearly. Now the separation is better.
Yes, sir.
And more things. So this orange and everything is fine, but this design also from a distance it kind of looks flattish, like little soft. So if I want to make it a little stronger, so what I have to do, I have to add a what do you call it? I need to add a dirt here. So I'll open this folder, and this inside this folder, I'll add a layer, some blackish grayish color, any color fill, only color and roughness. Roughness is almost matte. We never use 100% matte, so almost matte. So it's affecting only those sections you can see. So this particular one, I want to affect it. I want to use only this area. All these things I don't want to use. So right click, add a color selection mask, white. Pick this one, pick this one, pick this one. Look wherever I want to apply this. Let's select all these things. Okay, I've selected all this region, and now what I'll do is top of this I'll add one more generator and metal edgeware. Or I can use a dirt here. If I use a dirt, you can see it will enhance all those grooves.
Yes, sir.
So from a distance also I can see all this separation, everything is separate. So right now this dirt is applying everywhere. I don't want that. So what I'll do, I want this to apply only this section. So I just push it down, and this color selection, but I cannot change the color selection blending mode. Okay. It's applying everywhere. So alt click on the mask. You can see it's applying everywhere. I don't want that. I want to apply this thing only this white area. So I'll change this to multiply. It will affect only this selection. I can see it will affect only that part. Now this thing looks a bit flat. Suppose I want to add a design here. I'll just add a flat layer, empty layer with the only height. If I want to add color, I can definitely use that. But I want to use only height and maybe roughness, slightly make it, I want to make it slightly glossy and little metal, make it nothing is changing. So this is only for this section. Right click, black mask, and right click, add a paint. So I want to add a design here. So I'll go to, we have so many alphas here. I can download something and use that also. Oh, sorry, brush, select the brush first, then select the alpha and select this height, increase the height, otherwise it won't work. I can create those design here directly within Substance, and because we have a circle also, or I can simply use normal brush. Let's see, brush, hard brush, basic hard brush, resize it. And create all this design directly here only. Let me check the reference once. I guess I have changed it a lot. So like otherwise, what I have to do if I just want to follow the reference, like color wise at least. Give me a second, find my reference.